Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining this session. Let me start with a simple question. How many potential customers visit your website every day and leave without a trace? No name, no contact, no follow up, just those are going to be missed opportunities, right? So now imagine if every visitor who shows even the slightest interest could be identified, engaged in real time, and automatically converted into a lead or even a support ticket without any manual intervention. Yes, that's exactly what we are here to explore today. In this session, we will demonstrate how integrating Zoho SalesIQ with Zoho CRM can transform your website into a powerful real time generation engine. To take you deeper into this, we have Deepika, our senior software engineer at Office Update, who will walk you through the solution, share practical insights, and give you a live demonstration how this works in action. I'm confident this session will leave you with valuable takeaways that can apply to your own business. Over to you, Deepika.
Radhu, greetings for everyone. Thank you for taking the time to join today's session. And let me quickly walk you through what we'll cover today. We'll start with a brief introduction to Zoho Sales IQ, then look at a real time business scenario, understand how the chat widget and system flows works, see how visitors interact with Zobot, how leads are created in Zoho CRM, how support tickets are generated in Zoho Desk, and finally, we'll go through key takeaways and a quick demo. Introduction to Zoho Sales IQ. Zoho Sales IQ is a real time visitor tracking and engagement platform. It allows businesses to monitor who is visiting their website in real time, engage with visitors through live chat, automate conversations using bots, and finally capture lead information instantly. Instead of waiting and customers to reach out, Sales IQ enables you to proactively interact with them. Business problem and use cases. Let's consider a typical situation. A visitor comes to your website. They are interested in your service, but they have a question. Now, if no one responds immediately, the visitor leaves, the opportunity is lost, and there is no record of that interaction. So, this results in missed leads and lost revenue. To resolve this, we implement a chat widget on the website, a Zobot that engages visitors automatically, and an integration that pushes data directly into Zoho CRM and Zoho Desk as well. This ensures that no visitor interaction is missed. System flow explanation. Here is how the entire process works. A visitor lands on your website. They click on the chat widget powered by Zoho Sales IQ. The Zobot initiates a conversation. It collects key detail from the visitor. Once the data is captured, a lead is created in Zoho CRM, a ticket is created in Zoho Desk. All of this happens automatically without any manual intervention. Zobot interactions. The Zobot plays a critical role here. It interacts with visitors by greeting them, asking relevant questions, collecting essential information like name, email, and requirement. The key advantage here is it works 24 by 7. It does not depend on agent availability. It ensures consistent data collection. This means your business is always active even outside working hours. Lead creation in Zoho CRM. Once the visitor provides their detail, A new lead is instantly created in Zoho CRM. The sales team can view the lead details, assign it to a sales representative, begin follow up immediately. This eliminates manual data entry and reduces response time significantly. Ticket creation in Zoho Desk. Simultaneously, a support ticket is generated in Zoho Desk. This ensures every customer query is tracked. Support teams have full visibility. SLA and response timelines can be managed effectively. This integration bridges the gap between sales and support teams. Key benefits of this implementation. To summarize the benefits, zero lead loss, 24 by 7 customer engagement, fully automated data capture, seamless integration between systems, faster response, and improved conversion rates. Overall, this setup enhances both operational efficiency and customer experience. Now that we have understood the overall concept, let me take you through a quick demonstration of how this works in real time. I'm logging into a sample website where a Zoho SalesIQ is already implemented. As soon as a visitor lands on the website, you can notice that the chatbot automatically initiates a conversation. This is a proactive engagement. The system doesn't wait for the visitor to take action. The chatbot powered by Zobot starts asking relevant questions to understand the visitor's requirement. For example, it is asking um, name, email address, and the visitor's requirement. This ensures a structured data capture right at the first interaction. So it is collecting key details like this. I'll quickly enter some sample details here. As you can see, the chatbot continues the conversation smoothly and the interaction feels very natural, almost like chatting with a human. So that's one of the key advantages here. The bot is designed to mimic human conversation behavior, which is improves engagement and keeps the visitor involved. Now, the bot is asking whether I would like to connect with a human agent. Let's say the visitor wants to speak to someone. I'll choose that option here. So now I'll switch to the operator's view. So now I'm currently in visitor's view. So to show the operator's view, I'll switch to the operator's view. Now on the operator side, you can see that a chat notification is received instantly. The chat is either auto assigned or can be manually accepted. This depends on how the system is configured. Once accepted, the chat conversation is seamlessly transferred to a human agent. Now, the agent and the visitor can interact in real time. So, the transaction from bot to human is completely smooth. There is no break in the conversation. So now, while this interaction is happening, something important is also happening in the backend in real time. A lead is being created in Zoho CRM. A ticket is being created in Zoho Desk. This ensures both sales and support teams have full visibility. If I click on the CRM link here, it directly redirects to me to the lead record in Zoho CRM. Similarly, so later in the attachments, the transcription will be attached. So similarly, clicking on the desk ticket takes me to Zoho Desk. So all data is automatically synced and accessible across systems. So once the instruction is completed, the visitor can end the chat from their end. Now let me show you another important scenario. This is when no agents are available. For example, during non-working hours, I'll set the operator status to busy to simultaneously uh, do this condition. Now I'll initiate a chat again as a website visitor. As you can see, the chatbot is still engaging with the visitor, but this time, since no agents are available, it clearly informs the visitor and requests them to leave a message. As you can see, the chatbot is still interacting with the visitor. So instead of abruptly ending the conversation, the bot handles this very professionally by saying, "Our operators are currently unavailable. Please leave your message and we'll get back to you shortly." This ensures no poor user experience, no lost communication, and very politely, every query is still captured. So even when your team is offline, your system continues to engage visitors and capture leads efficiently. And that's how the Zoho SalesIQ ensures continuous engagement, seamless handover to agents, and complete automation of lead and support workflows. So the key improvements I made: removed repetition, added business value statements during demo. To conclude, every website visitor represents a potential business opportunity. By implementing automation through Zoho Sales IQ and integrating it with CRM and Desk, you ensure that no opportunity is missed. This approach not only improves a lead capture but also enhances customer engagement and conversion. Thank you once again for joining this session. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to address them and assist you.
Thank you, Deepika, for your informative session. As you have just seen, integrating Zoho Sales IQ with Zoho CRM is not just a technical setup. It's a strategic advantage, right? It's enable our business to move from passive website tracking to proactive, intelligent engagement. In a competitive landscape, the difference often comes down to who responds first and who responds smarter. And this integration helps us achieve exactly that. If you are looking to maximize your website traffic, improve lead quality, and streamline your sales and support workflows, this is a capability you should strongly consider implementing. We would be happy to help you get started, tailor this to your business use case, and answer any use case you may have. Thank you once again for joining the session today, and we look forward to helping you turn more visitors into valuable customers. Again, thank you.